This video will show you how to check in a guest early. Hotelogix lets you easily check in a guest who arrives before the check-in time and charge for it, if required. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you want to check in a guest early. Click View Details in the context menu that shows up. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes. Click Early Check-in at the bottom of the screen. Early Check-in panel opens up. Enter the reason for early check-in. Early check-in charge field appears by default. Please note you can set early check-in policy from the admin console. Enter the early check-in charge, if any. You can enter comments related to the early check-in as a free text in the description box. Now click Early Check-in. Click OK in the Alert panel to confirm. The guest is checked in into the room and check-in card appears. Now, right-click the reservation that was checked in early to view the early check-in charge. Click Payments in the context menu that shows up. The reservation's payment page opens in a new tab. The early check-in charge can be viewed in the account statement. This brings us to the end of the video on how to check in a guest early.